Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Aunty Rita. Today I'm going to be behind the camera. So I'm introducing my co-host today, Shaka. Shaka, and take it away, Shaka.
Okay.
There we go.
Hi, this is Aunty Rita's Cooking Channel. Okay, now come with us. We can make this barbecue SuperBowl.
This is SuperBowl. SuperBowl Sunday.
SuperBowl
Sunday. That's your arm, Mama. It's our SuperBowl Sunday.
SuperBowl Sunday.
That's my nephew Chester. He's going to be one of the cooks.
This is 2 cups of ketchup. He has right now.
Oh, that's ketchup.
That is ketchup.
Okay.
Chester is going to be making the special barbecue sauce.
Now, ketchup's going to put sugar in.
Drop.
Is it brown sugar?
And that is brown sugar, you guys. Chester is adding 2 big teaspoons of brown sugar. Now he's going to be adding the lemon juice. And that is a 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
So what does the lemon juice do?
Hey, Chester, this is going to be some good barbecue sauce.
He's pouring the lemon juice in the bowl with the ketchup and the brown sugar. Now he's going to be adding, of course, Guinness beer. A half cup of Guinness beer.
That's Guinness flavor.
All right, now.
Okay, now he put it in with the ketchup, the lemon, and the Guinness beer, and the sugar.
Yes.
Want to mix it, Chester? Okay.
Just remember. Just remember.
Would you? Okay.
No, we don't have to do it.
Now we're going to sauce.
Okay,
Okay, welcome back. The meat has been marinated in the kitchen. So, in the refrigerator, actually. So now all we're going to do is just put on Chester's barbecue sauce, special barbecue sauce.
Like it.
Okay.
Now, just has been marinated.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Look at this. Nice. You can even hear the whistle. Yeah.
Well, while he's doing that, I'm just going to put some more on here.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We make sure the meat don't get burnt. Look at that, beautiful ash. Yes.
Okay.
Nobody knows.
Let me take this out. So after you put the meat, then you put it on. Okay, well, there's more than 2 cooks. There's another cook. This is another cook. What's your name? Jeff.
Chef Jim.
Chef Jeff. He knows all about the